it should be happiness because it's so rare for most people in the world. You would agree with me that even top performers that we work with, some of them have a touch of not so happy going on in their life. Even the people that you think have their whole world together, they too seek happiness. What do I have to learn from you about happiness from the monk perspective?
So
you talk about that.
Yeah, this was the statement that when I'm sitting in that room as an 18-year-old thinking about going to a bar, this was that statement that penetrated my heart, and I was like, because so he was making the point that if you have any gifts, if you have any talents in the world, if you're not using them in the service of others, then worth nothing. And that's a very bold point. And the way he put it, and he was quoting another writer, and he wrote that, plant trees under whose shade you do not plan to sit. And what that means is, most of us plant trees or we do things for people because we're expecting that one day they're going to reciprocate and do something back for us. And he was like, real service is when you do things for people that can't do anything back for you at that time and you're not expecting anything. And for me, for my 18-year-old mind, I was like, oh, I thought my skills were just to impress women and make money and just do what everyone else does. And when he was talking about selfless sacrifice and service, I was like, I want to test that. Because either this man is a genius or he's completely crazy. But if he's given up, and he went to the Indian Institute of Technology, one of the best universities in the world, he was like a #1 student, and he gave that all up to be a monk. So I was like, there's something there, because you don't just give that up. Especially in India, the pressure to perform and to be a top grade student is so high that to walk away from that, like his family and everyone would have just completely, so I was like, I want to follow that path.
Bro, I'm fascinated by you because now that I'm in your presence, I feel your energy speak about this. I think I had this impression that someone who's sort of monk related is just, there's this feeling I get that's just, it's strong peace, but it's strong too. There's an energy about you.